Welcome to this detailed comparison between Coinbase and Coinbase Advanced. Both platforms are widely recognized for trading cryptocurrencies, but they cater to different user types. Let's dive into the specifics and see how they stack up against each other. Coinbase offers a simple, user-friendly interface for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. It provides a selection of the most popular cryptos. On the other hand, Coinbase Advanced, also known as Coinbase Pro, offers a wider range of cryptocurrencies, advanced charting features, and more detailed market information. This makes it more suitable for seasoned traders. Coinbase charges a spread of about 0.5% for cryptocurrency purchases and sales. In addition, it charges a fee, which varies based on your location and purchase amount. In contrast, Coinbase Advanced applies a maker-taker fee model that starts from 0.5% and decreases with higher trading volumes, making it more cost-effective for frequent traders. Coinbase offers a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate and perform transactions. Coinbase Advanced, while offering more advanced features, has a more complex interface that may be overwhelming for beginners, but is appreciated by advanced users for its comprehensive tools. Both platforms prioritize security, offering two-factor authentication, biometric fingerprint logins, and insurance coverage for digital currencies stored on the platform. However, Coinbase Advanced also provides API keys for automated trading, adding an extra layer of security. Coinbase offers email and phone support, but some users have reported slow response times. Coinbase Advanced also offers email support with a similar response time. Neither platform offers live chat support. Coinbase is perfect for beginners and casual investors due to its simplicity. However, as users gain experience and require more advanced features, they may find Coinbase Advanced more scalable due to its advanced trading features, detailed market information, and lower fees for high-volume trades. Coinbase is ideal for beginners or those who prefer a simple, straightforward platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Coinbase Advanced, with its detailed market analysis and advanced trading features, is better suited for experienced traders or those with a significant amount of investment. The winner depends on the user's experience level. For beginners, Coinbase's simplicity is a clear win. However, for advanced traders or users planning to trade frequently, Coinbase Advanced's lower fees and comprehensive features make it the superior platform. Thus, Coinbase Advanced wins for its scalability and cost-effectiveness for high-volume trades. Thank you for watching this detailed comparison between Coinbase and Coinbase Advanced. We hope it has been helpful in understanding the key differences between the two. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content like this.